Welcome back to Add Art. In today's tutorial, we're going to draw and learn all about 3 different rock types as they rock out at a rock concert. Now, before we do, just a quick reminder to subscribe to Add Art and hit the bell. When you do, you'll always be the first to know when I've uploaded a new drawing like this one. But let's rock on and make a start. We'll begin by drawing the first of our 3 rock types. Now, rocks are solids made up of minerals, and this one's going to be an igneous rock. There are lots of igneous rocks, granite, obsidian, basalt to name but a few, but we'll make this rock a pumice stone, so this edge is quite rough. Give it 2 eyes. Put the pupils looking up at the rock band on stage. Big smile. And a wide open mouth. Two eyebrows. Give it some teeth. Now, igneous rocks form when magma cools down and solidifies. So let's have a little bit of molten magma inside his mouth. Now, pumice stones tend to have a lot of holes in them, so let's put some dots and circles. Chin there. Its arms upstretched. Really excited to see its favourite band. Bring the palm of the hand down to an arm. And we'll copy that on the other side. So put the thumb in, and the 4 fingers. Bring the hand round and bring the arms down to the body. And just put the edge of the palm in there as well. Now, next up is the sedimentary rock, which is formed as layers of sediment are compressed over time at the bottom of lakes and oceans. So let's give it a seaweed punk hairstyle. Now, examples of sedimentary rock include flint, mudstone and chalk, but I think this one will be sandstone. This one really getting into the music. 2 eyes. Perhaps this one looks a little bit angry. Really rocking out with a wide open mouth. Some more teeth. Now, because the sediment in these types of rock can include small pieces of plant and organic matter, you often find fossils in them. So let's have a few fossilised annamites and ferns. You can dot these all over your rock. Just the edges of the mouth there. We'll begin on the hands. Again, stretching up into the air. Maybe this one's doing sort of rocker hand symbol. Bring the palms round. We'll have this one looking extra rocky with studded wrist straps. Bring the arms down. So we'll copy this hand and wrist strap on this side. Bring the arm down. Finally, the last rock are metamorphic rock. Now these are rocks that form over time when existing rocks are put under high heat or pressure. So we'll have this one looking like it's been under a heavy weight, a little bit squashed, as are its eyes. Two pupils. A bit of a squished grin. Now, as the name suggests, igneous and sedimentary rocks can morph into metamorphic rocks. And they often have these alternating colour bands. When I colour this in, there'll be some dark and some light. And examples of metamorphic rock include marble, quartzite, granulite and slate. Have it holding a slate sign here instead of a cardboard sign, as people used to draw on slate rather than paper, with the hands holding. Coming down to its body. I think this rock will be a nice rock. It sounds like it might be friendly, but it's a type of metamorphic rock spelt Gneis, and it's pronounced nice. Have that other hand holding there. Bring it across. Bring the arm all the way down. Finish off the board. And we'll have the sign saying rock on. To make the sign look a little bit more rocky, we'll add some arrowheads to the letters here. Perhaps some lightning bolts as well on either side. Put some shadows underneath them. Lastly, let's add a crowd of other rocks, stones, boulders and pebbles behind them. Have some lights that you get at concerts flashing away across the crowd. maybe even a few tiny pebbles who have snuck to the front of the stage. But there we have it, 3 types of rocks, igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic, rocking out at a rock concert. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with that one today. Now, before I go, do be sure to check out all my other ad art tutorials like these. You can do this by clicking on my double pencil profile picture. And if you've enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up like, as it really helps my channel grow. Finally, if you know someone who loves to draw, why not share ad art with them and draw together? But that's it for today, and I hope to draw along with you again soon. Bye for now.